Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll do the screen flickering issue test in this IQ7 device. So just yesterday I did update my mobile phone to the latest software update, and in the software update they did mention that screen flickering issues will be fixed. So let's see friends, I'm trying to use the same IQ7 model only, and here's the software update which I received yesterday. And as you can see, so fixed the occasional screen flickering issue in some scenarios. You can clearly see that they did mention that. But let's see friends, in my testing whether we are able to see any kind of screen flickering or not. That is what I'm going to check right now. As you can see right now, you can see the screen flickering issue is happening in this phone. There's also green tint issue is also still existing friends in this phone. These two problems did not get fixed at all. No green tint and screen flickering, nothing happened to these both options. So right now, as you can see, I'm trying to use different refresh rate. I'm trying to use without anti-flickering and with anti-flickering. Doesn't matter what different settings I change, so still same kind of performance it's behaving like before. Same thing happened with the green tint as well. So there is no improvement at all. I'll try to change the angle as well, different angles. As you can see right now, you can see this clearly, you can see this flickering is happening. But one thing is that you cannot see with your eyes. So these are the videos which I already uploaded on this IQ7 smartphone couple of weeks back on this phone, and still there is no fix for this screen flickering issue. And one thing is that it won't I think it will affect a little bit kind of eyes. It might strain your eyes if you are using this phone for the long time under direct this kind of sunlight, but physically you won't be able to see it. So physically this kind of flickering issues you won't be able to see it. Only you will see in the while recording in another phone. Only in the camera you will be able to see this kind of flickering. But this, some users, they are really afraid that this might strain the eyes as well. So that is the reason. So here's the Realme X1 Max, and in the Realme X1 Max same full brightness I'm trying to use, and this phone doesn't create any kind of flickering issue, no problem at all. You can clearly see friends. I'll try to do another detailed comparison as well side by side, just for the normal proof. I thought of just showing you what is happening in the IQ7 and what is not happening in the other phones like OnePlus Nord or Realme X1 Max. That is what I'm going to compare right now. You can see right now clearly friends with the full brightness. And thank you for watching this video. I'll try to compare with other smartphones as well very soon. So stay tuned for more updates in case if you are interested. So make sure to comment below and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.